caught fire, but just another day. All right. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. We are at Tone and Eddie's event at one plant in Antioch, about to kill some tires in the Driftcar. Right now, we're unloading it off the trailer. That's why we're at an angle. And then we got to get these tires off the car. I'm gonna go to the tire shop, get them swapped out, and then we're gonna go kill some tires. Watch people kill tires, have some fun. So stay tuned. Let's do it. All right, now let's get these tires on. It's a tab. I mean, it's not the best amount of tread to come to an event with.
We shall be back.
Off to the tire shop we go. It's already hot outside. Tires are on. Let's go burn them off. That was faster than I expected.
Same. The boss is here, hurry.
Oh no. Yeah. All right, so got the wheels on. Now I gotta go check in. Let's go peep what's going on.
You had a good time, man. You want an exclusive ride inside?
Yeah, come on. I ordered my. Let's go peep, see what's going on.
You just do no shirt for the fans now, or what?
Kinda, nah, it's fucking hot as shit. Tesla?
man. 1,500 horses. That's what it looks like. Hey, you want me to hit it off, or you want the fans run?
That's cool. That's a full pot. That one's a full pot.
They're working. Broke the case?
Broke the case.
Alright. Went crazy. It overheated and caught fire, but just another day.
State trooper.
That looks like you still got the radar in the back window too.
I did not want to push that shit.
I'm taking my paperwork off. I got another one.
She's humming.
Hey, listen to it. He's singing to us.
Did you hear him? This shit has fans.
I think the fans weren't working.
Never came on. This shit has fans?
Yeah, supposed to. I don't think the fans are on. The fans aren't on.
I don't think they ever turned on.
No, they haven't been on this whole time.
Not working right
Nope.
now? They never were.
Nope. That's why it overheated so fast.
Thank you, bro. Have a good day.
I watch you on YouTube!
Thank you, bro. Shout out little homie. That's dope. I seen him when I was driving out and he was like, sorry. That's hella cool. I used to be that little kid looking at all the cool cars, so that shit feels good. So that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me killing tires for the time that I could. Overheated, caught fire, but I believe that's because there was a short in the wire that went to the fans, so the fans never kicked on. So that stupid mistake, something that could have been easily fixed, but something that was overlooked, obviously, because no one's really paying attention if the fans kicked on. Anyway, figure it out and then come back out, kill some more tires. But thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Eddie and Tone for throwing this event. Shout out to One Plant. I appreciate you guys. Fun ass events every single time. Shout out OG Toe Man, my guy Chris, coming through every single time. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you. Nope.